super fun electric bike. This thing is so cool. I have a 3-year-old and he absolutely loves it. He actually started riding it when he was super cute. We didn't put on the little front plate that comes with it here. And then here's the power button, just turn it on. And then it just tells you how far the setting is. And we've rolled this pretty far, like on some trails, just some paved trails, and everything went good. It lets you know before the battery's dying. You got the little valves here to fill up the air in the tires. We have not had to do that yet, and we've had this thing for 2 years now. So, and then you can adjust the seat as well. Right here, here's the bar. We have it on the highest setting because he's getting a little tall now. And you just use like a little Allen wrench, unscrew that, and then you can do the size there. Two last summer, and this summer we're trying to increase the speed because they have on the bottom here, there is 2 speed settings. Let me just flip it over. Right underneath here, you kind of lift this up and you can change. Well, this is a charger right here, that port that you put in, and then right here you lift up this button and you can change to increase the speed and make it faster. It has 2 levels of speed. The one it starts on the lowest one, lowest setting, and then a little bit faster. And we still have him on the lower one because he is a little bit scared to go faster, although he can. So we're working on the faster one, but